Wow. Gone through the the whole deal of making this background to let you watch, and I forgot to press record. So this is what I ended up with. I was explaining that I didn't want to go any further with this because I love it just the way it is. Because if I hold this up like this, I'm trying to get my finger in the right place. This white bit here could be outlined as a flower, as could this in here. This yellow could also be a flower. I was trying to explain that at this point I loved this and I didn't want to go any further because I want to scan this before I destroy it. Like, I could, sometimes in art, you keep going and keep going and keep going till it's destroyed. So then you gesso over and you start over again. Well, right now, I love this. And I was saying to stop when you love it and scan it. Scan your work. This, if anything else, is more collage for you. It's your work. It's not anyone else's. It's yours. You could add this collage, ripped up pieces of it. It doesn't matter. You can print it again and again and again and again. So at this point, I'm sorry you missed the whole deal, because I even did a stencil in here with flowers and I hated it. So I just kind of covered it up with more of my paper towels and dabbing like I do. I love to use paper towels and dabbing, and you missed that. I'm sorry. But that's what I did here. All paper towels. There was not one paintbrush involved. And my little wedgies that I use, you know, for my stencils. So I'm just suggesting. It's not everybody's cup of tea to scan things in and reuse, but I scan everything. So, and I would take this into Photoshop and make something more of this, because I use Photoshop. If you're a Photoshop user, good for you. That's what you should do with your art. You know, I guess what I could have done was stop my camera and scan this. But you see, I don't want to take a chance on getting paint on my scanner either. So I like to leave them sit overnight to cure, and then I would scan it. So, but I guess I could have chanced it and scanned it and then come back. Because what I want to do with this is kind of draw flowers now. For what I see in my collage, I want to draw the flowers. So maybe that's what I'll do next time, is come back with this and draw the flowers. And maybe I'll destroy it. Maybe I won't. Maybe it'll be better. Maybe it won't. I don't know. But right now, like I said, I love it. I'm gonna leave it at this. And I am so sorry that I didn't have my camera on. I thought I did. Oh, good grief. Anyways, I love you all. Bye now.